Hey everybody, it's that time again. Okay, so today I have and I'm not really sure how I got this knife. I'm assuming I got it from one of the people that used to work for my dad. And for whatever reason it's not focusing. Anyway, it says Portugal on it. Oh, maybe you can see it there. And on the other side, it says something else. Recordação de Chaves. Not really sure what that means. I suppose I could type it into Google real quick and see. Let's see. Portuguese. Recordação. Okay, I don't think Google is right because it says recall key. Maybe it has something to do with the keychain on it? Okay, anyway. So anyway, it's red, it's got that writing on it. Actually, it's like a reddish orange. And it has one blade. And that's it. Pretty simple. Not surprisingly, it says Portugal on the blade. So that's it for that knife. See you next time.